Several products are available in the market to stop snoring. However, there are many simple and effective home remedies to rectify the issue. Here are some of the effective, natural home remedies against snoring. Home remedies for snoring. 7 natural home remedies to stop snoring. 1. Inhale steam. One of the reasons for snoring is nasal congestion, and inhaling steam is the best treatment for this. Method: take a container of hot water. Inhale the steam through your nose for around 10 minutes. You can also use a towel to hold it over your head. Do this before you go to bed. 2. Spearmint and fenugreek. Snoring can also occur due to digestive problems. Spearmint and fenugreek are excellent home remedies against snoring caused by digestive issues. Fenugreek also is effective against sleep apnea. Method: take a few fenugreek seeds and soak it in water for half an hour and then drink it before you hit the bed. You can also mix a teaspoon of fenugreek powder in a glass of water and drink the solution before sleeping. Spearmint tea is another option you can try. 3. Olive oil and honey. Olive oil and honey contain anti-inflammatory properties, which help ease the obstruction in the respiratory tract and reduce the swelling. They also lubricate the throat and reduce snoring. Method: take half a teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it properly and drink it before going to bed. You can also add a tablespoon of honey to a glass of water and drink it before bed. 4. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a great home remedy against snoring as it keeps our immune system healthy and keeps the sinuses clear. Method: eat fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C. You can consume pineapple, broccoli, and papaya. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric contains antibiotic and antiseptic properties, which help cure the inflammation and snoring. It will help ease breathing and improve your immunity. Method: take a glass of warm milk and add in 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Mix well and drink it before going to bed. 6. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus oil is one of the most effective remedy for snoring. It will also help fight chest congestion and clear your nose. Method: add a few drops of eucalyptus oil in the steam inhaler and inhale the steam before hitting the bed. You can also use a container of hot water to inhale steam. Take a bowl of hot water and add in about 5 drops of eucalyptus oil and inhale the steam. Cover your head with a towel to make it more effective. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a miracle herb and is quite effective in clearing the respiratory system. It prevents the buildup of mucus in the nasal passage and reduces snoring. Method: take a few garlic cloves and chew it. Now, drink a glass of water to swallow the garlic. Do this before going to bed. You can also add extra garlic to your food. How to treat snoring and sleep apnea naturally and permanently without drugs for 7 days. 100% guarantee to help you treat snoring permanently at home easily. No surgery for only 3 minutes a day. Try it now. Please click the link here to try it as soon as tonight.